which will be different. Like, they'll have effects, voices. You won't understand me half the time, probably. But, this is some stuff. Like dogs, cats, animals, family, friends, videos, YouTube, books, school, and drawing. They even did this drawing of Adam Lambert. You can't tell because the screen's constantly moving. But I hope I can make more videos for you, and enjoy!